welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the spread of July 6th through the 12th, 2020. And it is called the Altar Pen. The reason why it's called the Altar Pen is because I already wrote in what I'm going to do for the week. And I usually do the before the pen and show you the prep work that goes into planning. But this week, I was so busy and had stuff to do, I did the after pen for you. Let's get started. Over here, it says, go wherever you feel the most alive because we are in the feeling, okay? This week, I went to work from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. Girl, I worked so hard that day, my foot and my back hurt, okay? This little lady here, it says, be true to you, all right? I came home. Of course, I did what you got to do when you come home from work. And then I chit-chatted with my friends and family. I ate me some dinner. I watched me some TV, prepared myself for bed. The next day, I woke up with a little migraine, so I had to chill out first thing in the morning, as in that's something. But life is still good because I took my medicine, and I got some Happy Meal that day. I did some YouTube editing. I did a little grocery shopping for the week. I did some household chores. I did a load of laundry here. I did network YouTube in here. It says Network Girl. I love that sticker. It says live life in color. And this is all in color for you, baby. And this here, I did a good job here. I laid out the stickers, the flower stickers here. And then I just cut it down the middle. And I used washi tape down here. And then I also went to work on Wednesday. It says get to work with some shades on. Because today is a brand new day. After work, I did me some errands. And then I came home. I uploaded a relaxing meditation video because after I get through working, honey, I need to relax, okay? That night, I watched Gladys Titan, Deborah Gladys Titan story time because, I mean, she does the best story time. As you have not seen Deborah Gladys Titan story time, you must look at her YouTube channel. She come on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 p.m. And if she don't come on, she will also send a shout out as you subscribe to her. Oh, you have to go over there and check her out. She is the best. And you will need your popcorn, honey, because that's how good she is. All right, we're moving on to Thursday. Thursday, I put on my working shoes. And I went to work from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. After work, I went over to my daughter's house. She took down my hair. I had some braids. And she cooked dinner for me. So I ate over there. We did a little planning. We looked at a little YouTube. And I went from, I wrote everything else on this thing here. So I watched TV later on that night and went to bed, LOL. But before all of that, at Starbucks, coffee time. At Starbucks, they had buy one, get one free. So at 6:30, we headed over there. We found out about buy one, get one free. Ooh, I love me some Starbucks, honey. So if you ever want to send me a card, honey, Starbucks will be it. That night, I packed my bags because I'm taking a road trip come to Friday. My bad. Friday came. I love this little sticker here. I did a layer because I love this here. I put the road trip there. I got me some gas. Went to the bank. Got me a little brunch. Look at this. Got the little purse here with the little credit card sticking out of it. That is so cute. I had to go. I have a hair appointment at 2:30 after the eating. after the hair appointment, we got to eat. We're going to shop. We're going to hang out. And this is family time. I cannot wait. And that night, because I'm staying over, we're going to have a slumber party. And we're going to eat, laugh, and watch TV. Look at this little TV here. Isn't that so cute? The little girl here holding a pillow. That went perfect. The next day is Saturday. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be waking up, eating, and drinking my coffee. In just a moment, my alarm is going off. Sorry about that. It's time for me to hit the road. That's what that alarm was. So, getting back to my layout here, I'm going to be driving home. This is a little UPS guidance sign right here. I think that's funny. And I love this little car here. And then it says no rain, no flower. Girls' night goes along with here. And Sunday, I'm pretty sure I am going to be sleeping in. Okay? Because all the fun I'm going to be having these 2 days here. When I get up, I'm going to have to do some little house chores. I love this one here. I layered it and put some flowers here out the gun and then put a layer. I love that. And my sticker book right here is because I had to start making the plan, my spread for next week. So that's my weekly to do. And sorry again about the alarm, but it's time for me to get out of here and hit the road. So I'm going to be safe and keep me in your prayers. And I will keep you in mind. Write down below and tell me what your week have been this week here from July the 6th through the 12th. And please share this out. Let people know Shewanna is doing her thing. She is doing her thing over here with this planet and my other stuff. I craft, I do DIYs, I do a lot. And check out my welcome page. I love you so much, and thanks once again for being here, loving me. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to me, and I will keep you posted of all the wonderful things. Once again, this is Shewanna Creative Circle. Bye.